It's Tanveer from Amritsar. I am here to participate in a cooking competition organized by Femina Group. I will be making a 3-course dinner menu. My menu consists of chicken roulade with creamy corns, paneer tikka with thyme infused rice and non-fried gulab jamun. So let's begin with our first recipe, chicken roulade with creamy corns. Take a Thai chicken piece and we have to marinate it with salt, pepper, oregano. You can take red chili flakes also, ginger garlic paste, and rub it properly so that it is marinated well. We will add little bit of lemon juice at the end and rub it properly. Fill it with boiled chicken. I have seasoned it with salt and pepper. And I am putting cheese slices. You can put any cheese whichever is available with you. It can be mozzarella also, and roll it very tightly. Don't press it, just roll it. And any paper whichever is available, a butter paper, or you can take any sheet and roll it very tightly. As our roulade is getting chilled, we will make an accompaniment, that is a crispy spinach and creamy corns. So wash the spinach and cut it roughly. Heat the oil and we will cook spinach till the color changes to dark green. We will make creamy corns. Take butter, add flour or maida. It should be same quantity, it is roux. Then we will be adding half cup of milk. Then we will season it with salt and pepper according to your taste and mix it properly so that no lumps are formed. Add 2 tablespoons of cooked cream, or you can take any cream whichever is available. Then we will be adding grinded corns. These are frozen corns which I have taken, and mix it thoroughly. We have taken roulade from our fridge. Now I am just grilling it on a griller pan. You can also grill it over any pan whichever is available. Just see all the sides are cooked properly. Just cut the roulade into roundels and keep aside. We will be heading towards our plating. Take spinach and add sugar, that is a powdered sugar which I have used, and mix it properly. Then add your roundels over the bed of spinach and we will garnish it with our creamy corns. We have already made chicken roulade with creamy corns. So now we will be heading towards our second course, that is paneer tikka with thyme infused rice. It is a Mughlai dish and it is a very rich and a tasty delicacy. So let's see how we have to make it. For paneer tikka, just take curd, add kasuri methi, season it with salt, red chili powder, little bit of cumin or jeera, black pepper, garam masala and coriander powder. I've just added little oil and little bit of color. Then add your paneer cubes and mix it properly so the marination is mixed well. I'm grilling it on a griller pan. And side by side I'm making an accompaniment, that is thyme infused rice. I've taken oil, I'm added thyme and rice into it and cook it properly. Add water and cover it with lid and keep it for at least 10 to 15 minutes. We are burning charcoal to give it a smoky taste.
Just pour it over your grilled paneer and cover it. Now we are taking little bit of ghee, cumin seeds and red chili powder and tomato puree. This we are making gravy for our tikka. Mix it very properly. You can add little bit of salt and black pepper according to your taste. Add kasuri methi. Once the gravy leaves the sides, add cream, your grilled paneer and mix it very gently. We will be doing plating now. Arrange rice and your paneer tikka gravy on a plate. I've garnished it with fresh cream.
We have made a second course, that is paneer tikka with thyme infused rice. Now we will be making a sweet dish, that is non-fried gulab jamun.
I have taken half a cup of milk powder, 1/4 cup of maida, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix it very gently. Add 1 tablespoon of ghee. We will be adding 2 tablespoons of chilled milk and make it a dough. It should be soft. Make little rounds like a ball shape. We are making it an appe pan, so just little bit you can add oil or ghee. Then just put your gulab jamuns in your appe pan. Side by side I am making a syrup, sugar syrup for my gulab jamun. I have added 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of water and just give it a boil. You can see the color have been changed. You can garnish it with pistachio and little bit of kesar. It looks really nice.
Now my 3-course dinner menu is ready. I hope you liked my video. Please like and share so that I can be a winner. And thank you Febina Group for giving up this opportunity. Thank you so much.